Did you know, your brain can generate enough electricity to power a light bulb? Crazy, right? Anyway, ever heard of a lady who thought being in a relationship for 14 years meant you are married? Well, let us look at Annie Bales versus Charles Stacey. In which,
No, 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 you are sounding boring. Let me take it from here. Okay, guy. Here are the facts of Annie Bales versus Charles Anthony Stacey, a family law case in which Annie Bales and Charles Anthony Stacey lived together in a long-term relationship for many years, but they were never legally married. During their relationship, a house was purchased, and they both lived in it. However, the property was legally registered in Charles Stacey's name only. Annie Bales claimed she made financial and non-financial contributions toward the purchase, maintenance, and improvement of the house. These included helping with mortgage payments, bills, and renovations. Death and inheritance issue. After Charles Stacey passed away, Enrica Simos, likely an heir or administrator of his estate, was involved in the dispute over the property. Annie Bales filed a suit claiming that she had a beneficial interest in the house under a constructive trust, a legal concept that recognizes informal property rights based on fairness and contribution. Okay, let me not steal your fun. Tell us the holding and the legal significance in family law. And please don't forget to tell them to like, share, and comment the next case they want on Godwin's Case Diary, please.
finally, anyway. The court held that Annie Bales had a beneficial interest in the property through a constructive trust, even though her name was not on the legal title. It found that she contributed significantly, financially and otherwise, to the property. Their relationship and shared use of the home indicated a common intention to share the property. It would be unjust to deny her a share in the house after Stacey's death. Significance of the case. 1. Recognition of unmarried partners' rights. The case set an important precedent by affirming that non-married partners can still claim an interest in property if they made substantial contributions and there was a mutual understanding. 2. Expansion of constructive trust doctrine. It broadened the application of constructive trusts in family and property law, showing courts are willing to look beyond formal ownership when deciding what's fair. 3. Equity over formality. The decision reinforced that courts can use equitable principles, fairness, to avoid unjust outcomes, especially in long-term domestic partnerships. And yeah, as usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment the next case you want on Godwin's Case Diary. Bye for now.